In our EU, we have no really convincing continental infrastructural strategy. We have a chaotic competence. Sometimes mayors are active, sometimes regional governments are active, and it's my ambition to come to a clear order of competence. The whole continent must deliver an infrastructure before 2020, which is on the same level as South Korea, as the US and others have.
Maybe we have a different culture. In the US, all is allowed, what is not forbidden. In Europe, all is forbidden, what is not allowed. But what is my main concern? We have 28 different regulations. So to have one regulation on a European level means to have less bureaucracy. In the past, it was a competition between IT companies, and we lost. And now we come to the whole economy, to the industry, to the real economy. Now our companies as ABB, Siemens, BASF, Bayer, Lanxess, BMW, VW, Audi, Daimler are coming into the game. We need clear strategies how to survive, how to hold all parts of the value chain for working places in our European Union. And at the end of the day, maybe 50% of the working places are gone. But 50% new working places, inside the factory and outside, software generation, and so on, will start. Human qualification is key. We need in our EU, year by year, additional 150,000 IT specialists. We all have to learn how to use new technologies. And then we can survive, but we have to change our daily work. Economy is not really a part of our education of kiddies. They have to learn how to come into the labor market. They have to learn how to survive with €1,000 a month. They have to learn investments, risks, and the whole economy. I don't think that to develop a state-owned European Google would be a good idea. But Google has to accept our European rules. We need a clear announcement to them, what are our European rules. And it's our ambition not to be a partner with 28 divided small activities, but with one activity, and so to be on one level with the US IT sector and the US industries as a whole. No doubt, open access is key, and there can't be any discrimination. We need net neutrality. So we need a high level of access for everybody. And the question is, what can be on top? And so maybe for some services being in a public interest, we should say are preferred.